Okay, today's class agenda is about, I'm going to discuss about types of locks, deadlock and locking strategy, no wait, and with examples. Okay, then, okay, um, I'll give a brief explanation about the types of locks. Types of locks are three types. Three types of locks. First one, share lock. Share lock. Second is no lock. It's not a case sensitive language. You can use capital letters and small letters with combination. You can use exclusive lock. Okay. Then coming to share lock. Share lock is a default lock which can read the data and update the data, but it's not a good strategy. Due to this, it will get deadlock. So we should not use this for reading the data and updating the data. Data from database. Actually, we are using default database system. We should not connect anything. It will automatically connect here. When it comes to practical, we have to go to sport database and we can connect while in projects. Okay. Then no lock. No lock is used for read the data from database. Then exclusive lock. Update the data. Update the data to database. So in general use, you guys use only no lock for reading, and for updating you can use the exclusive lock. Don't use shared lock. Shared lock means without keeping any locks, we can call it as shared lock, or otherwise we can keep it as share hyphen lock. Then it will make it I mean it will consider it as shared lock. So I'm going to give examples upon this. Examples. Okay. Examples of, first I'm going to give a share lock example. So coming to here, one second. Let me comment it out. For comments, we have to use slash, forward slash with star, and star with backward slash. Or we can use it as dot. So fine. We can use fine first and fine last also. First and for each also. For both, for both statements, we have to use lockings. Without locking, you should not use any queries. Okay. For first customer share lock I'm using, right? So we should keep no error, no wait. No wait, I'll tell you at last. It is a last topic because after completing the locks, you guys know how, I mean, how it will works. Okay. Display customer. Accept comments. Yeah, you are able to see, right? So it's a database table. I mean, database fields. Okay, these all are database fields. I mean, this cust number is a integer field, country is a character field, and name is a character field, address is a character field, city is a character field, state character field, postal code it is a integer field, then contact it's a uh, integer field. So for contact it should be in 10 digit number, right? So do we need to display contact number means we have to define int 64. Okay, I'll give you the example here. 1 second. uh, I'm commenting out this one. Define variable some x value I'm giving as integer. If we keep integer, no undo. If you're trying to store this same, I mean, some number, 10 digit number, it won't allow you to allow, I mean, it won't allow you to display x. So it will throw some error. See, 1 second. See, the value is too large. It is not fit in the integer field. So we can use int 64. It's one of the data type. So we can use format for integer. I'll show you data types. For integer, default data type, I mean default data type we have to take. Okay, where is it is okay, here default data type will use it as greater than some value. At last we have to keep 9. So we can keep like this. Okay, you guys are able to see, right? Please respond to my questions. Okay, please be active. Are you able to see, right?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually it's not a dumb class. Okay, we have to respond. Then how many greater thans can I keep? So I'm keeping 9 greater thans, and at last I'm keeping 9. Okay, so you are able to get 10-digit number. So for what, how many letters, I mean how many numbers you need to display in the screen means, I mean we have to display in the screen means we have to keep that many date, I mean less than one, greater than we have to keep, at last we have to keep 9. Okay, we can print negative numbers also here, I mean if you keep a negative number here, we can display negative numbers also. See, we can display negative and positive numbers with using integer 64 and integer also. It is one of the example which I missed actually in first class. So it is reading. I'm moving to Sherlock. Okay, you guys understand, right?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Then it's a Sherlock. One of the example. We can update the data same. I mean, we can update by update. We can update this one using. Actually, we have to keep where statements here. Where? Can I show you that? 1 second. I'll show you database tables. You guys can understand now. This is the customer database. These are the indexes. So these are the primary, unique, like that we will keep. Okay, this one customer number is a unique field. Okay, with that we can club one database table to another database table. We have to check for each database table which it is having unique and primary fields. These indexes we have to check. Later on that we have to club with the where statement and unstatements. Okay, you guys understand, right? No response. 1 second. Okay, I'll keep all the database tables in our session. I mean, some we have created some group, right? So there I'll keep. It will take some more time. I'll give you the examples. So with the where statement, customer for unique number is customer number, right? I mean unique field is. So I'm using with the customer number field, customer dot cust num equals to 3000. Sorry, 3000. So instead of updating, I mean displaying, we can update any one of the customer field. Okay, we for updating we are using update statement. Update, update customer dot name equals to, so you are able to see customer name. Oh, 1 second, I'll show you customer name was first, and I'll update it to some other name. Okay. You guys are able to see, right? This is the customer name, Lift Taurus. So I'm going to update that Lift Taurus into some other name. Okay. I'll remove this. Somewhere I'll keep and update. Actually, if we need to update character field, means we have to keep in double quote. In the double quote, we have to keep the whatever the name we need to update. Pushpa, ready. I'm keeping this one. Please run the session. It will update it. I'll show you whether it is updated or not. See, it got updated, but we should not use shade lock. It may leads to, if the person is working on the customer table, me working on customer table, if another person also working on the customer table, if I am using shade lock, that person is trying to do no lock statement, at the time deadlock will occur. Deadlock means it won't display. I mean, whatever the data he need, that won't display. Whatever the data I updated, right, that will be displayed to him. He cannot update and he cannot read the data. He can read the data, he cannot update the data, because I'm using shared lock, right? It is globally it will take, and it won't allow another person to update. So it may lead to deadlock. So it should not, I mean, it's a bad strategy. Okay, you should not use that share lock. You guys understand, right? Please respond. Actually, no one is trying to respond to my questions. I mean, I'm asking not questions, right? I'm asking understood or not. Please respond to my question.
అర్థమైందక్క.
Okay, thank you. So next topic, you guys understand share lock. Now I'm going to explain about no lock. Oh, no lock. No lock, what will do? It reads only data. Okay, it's read data from the database. It won't allow you to update. Okay. No lock. I'm keeping no lock, so I'm able to read the data. See, I'm able to read the data. So I'll keep this one aside for the class notes. Okay. Oh shit. If I am trying to, I'll remove this one. If I am trying to update the name as some other name, okay, some other class 1, class 3, class 3. If I am going to run this, it won't allow you to update. See, customer record has no lock status, updated to field not allowed. It will throw this error. Please keep it in mind. If someone will ask in interview, if no lock allows to update the data, no, you should not say. I mean, you should say
No.
it won't allow you to update the data. Okay. You understand no lock, right?
Yes, Akka.
It won't allow to update data to database. So now I'm completed with the no lock. Then exclusive lock. Now I'm going with a exclusive lock. First we will read the data. Later on that we'll use yeah, it is working fine, right? It is an exclusive lock. It is able to read the data. But if you want to read the data, don't use exclusive lock, share lock. Okay. Only use no lock. If you want to update the data, don't use shade lock and no lock. Use exclusive lock. Okay. You guys understand, right?
Yes, Akka.
Don't use exclusive, exclusive lock for reading data from database. Okay. Then you can update the data by using exclusive lock. It's a pretty good strategy. Okay. Class 3. Yeah, it got updated. Then we'll try to display the data. We'll see whether it will be displayed the class 3 or not. Yeah, it got updated, right? Like this, we have to use. You guys understand the types of locks, right?
Yes. Yes, Yes, understand. Akka.
But it will leads to deadlock. Deadlock. Deadlock, I said right. Due to shade lock, we are getting deadlock. It's one of the interview question. Please rejoin after the session will end. Okay. I'm keeping interview questions as well. Okay. And also you guys can prepare the how deadlock You guys prepare and send it to me, okay? It's an assignment to you guys. Please prepare yourself and post to me. Personally, you can post to me. No, don't miss this assignment, okay? Okay. Deadlock is completed. Locking strategies. It's locking strategies or three types. First one, default locking, default lock, optimistic lock, pessimistic lock. So default lock. Default lock. Please tell me what you guys can suggest. What is the default lock? It's also one of the interview question. You guys listened all the locking locks, right? Three locks. Which one is the default lock?
Share lock.
Yeah, share lock. So due to share lock, it can read the data and it can update the data. At the time, it will upgrades to exclusive lock. Okay, share lock will upgrades to, while updating, share lock will updates to exclusive lock. Then it may lead to deadlock. So it's a bad strategy. It's a bad strategy. So we should not use default locking. So coming to, you guys understand, right? Coming to optimistic locking, for this one, exclusive lock will be used. It can read the data, it can update the data, but it is a good strategy? No, it's a pretty bad strategy. Compared to default locking, it is a bit good strategy, but it should not use, I mean, it is a pretty bad strategy. Then if coming to pessimistic locking, for updating, exclusive lock we are using. For reading, no lock we are using. So it is a very good strategy. So which one is the best? Pessimistic is the best strategy. Understand, right?
Yes, Akka.
Okay. Then strategies are completed. Mm. Which is the best strategy? Interview questions I'm keeping almost 5 I'm giving. Then coming to no wait. No wait. Actually, no wait is about if the user, if I'm using, actually, I'll show you. I am the one of the user. I'm using updating the data in one with the same customer. Myself, I'm updating, and the other person also querying the same query and updating the same database table and same name. So if we won't keep no wait, it will wait until the person release that customer table. Okay, I cannot read and I cannot update. So if we keep no wait in my, I mean in my query, I can read the data and I can update the data. If the person is doing anything, I mean he's reading the data or he's updating the data, we can read the data, we can update the data by using no wait statement. So no wait is used for not to wait till the session ends. The person who is using, other person is using. Okay. I'll keep this one also as a one of the interview question. How no wait will work. Okay. These are the topics and these are the questions. Again, rejoin to the another session, please. One minute.